Oh my god, this is crazy. You see? You see this? This is the henna and indigo color is just stripping from my hair. I can't believe this. It's actually working. Can you see this? These colors? It's just coming out, just coming off my hair. It's literally the color coming off my hair. Can you see that? This is a beautiful brown color on my hair. You can't believe that with only one simple substance you can transfer and strip henna and indigo both from your hair. So easy. And it's not coconut oil, vitamin C tablet. Hi guys, welcome back. This is an amazing video because I'm going to share with you what is that single substance that you need to apply and put it on your hair and get rid of henna and indigo or any other plant-based hair powder that you put on your hair. Yes, you heard it right. There is only one simple substance that if you use that, you can strip henna and indigo both from your hair, and then you can go for any hair color. You can just bleach your hair. You can do anything. You must know that if you have henna and indigo both on your hair, you cannot directly put a bleach on your hair and wish that you can just strip the color and then go for a normal chemical or whatever the hair color you're looking for, because the indigo powder is very powerful. If you bleach it directly, you are going to get green hair color. You're not going to get golden hair color or whatever that you can put any other color. So you have to be very careful about that. But of course, if you have henna on your hair, you can directly bleach it and get another hair color. But I won't recommend it because the method that I'm gonna share with you, it's much more safer and it's keeps the hair healthier. As you know, I am applying the plant-based hair color henna and indigo for 1.5 years now. So I had a very thick layers of henna and indigo on my hair for this past 1.5 years, and it was not an easy task for me to just remove this hair from my hair strands. So I needed something that really worked. I watched a lot of videos. None of them worked. They told me to go with the coconut oil. They told me to go with the shampoo and the vitamin C tablets, citric acid. I've done everything and none of them worked on my hair. But finally I found this thing, which I did it, and I was amazed. As you saw at the beginning of the video, the color was stripping from my hair. Literally, you could see it with your eyes. So this is a miracle. So after doing this, I was able to just go with a normal bleach just for 40 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes bleach, and then my hair was all ready for putting brown or any other color. I wanted to go with the medium light brown. As you can see, this is a medium light brown, just a chemical hair color that I put on my hair, and I wanted to share this in a video with you. That's why I did it. I am absolutely happy with the plant-based hair color. I think they're amazing, very healthy, keeps my hair shiny. And you can see after doing all that process, and I put the bleach on my hair and I put the chemical hair color, my hair is still so shiny, silky and healthy. That is because I was using for 1.5 years the plant-based healthy hair color, natural hair color. So the hair color that I'm using is my own development. You can just purchase this one from my Etsy shop in different shades for light colors and for dark color base. And in case if you wanted to change it and you wanted to go for a different kind of hair color, don't worry, you can use always this method that I'm going to show, and you can always go for another color. So don't worry that if you go with the plant-based hair color, you're not able to put any other color with it. Forget about everything else and watch this video. I'm gonna show you all the process, walk you through all the process that I did. Let's go and see how I did it. Okay guys, if I want to show you the thing that I bought that helped me a lot, it's vitamin C powder, which is very pure and very strong, which basically the other name for this is L-Ascorbic acid. I am going to link down this product at the description box of the video so that you can purchase it from the country of your residence. So to say, yes, Pure vitamin C, the strong version, is the best and number one thing that can remove henna and indigo from your hair, especially indigo. What we're gonna do is that we just take this powder and we mix it with any shampoo, and you just apply it like a hair color all over your hair. It just has to come to a hair color cream consistency. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to apply it on my hair. I'm going to wait for 3 hours. Since I have a long hair, I'm going to use 5 tablespoons at a time and mix it with shampoo. If you have shorter hair, you may use 2 or 3 tablespoons. Okay guys, the mixture is ready. I'm going to apply it all over my hair and I'm going to cover it and also wrap it around with a clean towel and wait for 3 hours. As you can see guys, all the colors of henna and indigo is just coming off my hair and it's literally so visible, and you can see they are just dripping out. Okay guys, it has been since 4 times that I repeated this process. I had to, because I was using the plant-based hair color for a very long time, over a year, and it was not enough only one time to use this powder, so I had to go for several times. So if I want to tell you, my hair has become so much lighter. The darkness of indigo color is completely gone and it's more like orangey color, means like more of henna color has left there. I'm not going to say that this is going to completely strip off everything, but it's going to make a huge difference, and it's going to prepare and make your hair ready for any kind of bleach. So to prove you that all the indigo has come off from my hair, I'm going to give it a try and bleach 1 strand of my hair. If my hair turns to green, it means the indigo is there and this method didn't work. And if my hair turns to golden and light color, then it means indigo has come off my hair. So let's do it. Okay, I've bleached 1 strand of my hair to show you that my hair is not turned green. As you see, it's different colors, different places, of course, because the roots are more golden. I have my natural hair color over there, but as you can see, it opened the color and it didn't turn green. It means this method has worked. So with this method, I can either bleach my hair without being scared of getting green color and go for a very much lighter shades, or I can just put any color directly on my hair. So this is all up to you guys. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to do a quick bleach all over my hair, about like 40 minutes, and then put a medium color brown on my hair. Okay, as you see, I've bleached my hair for just 40 minutes. I used not so strong bleach. It was just volume of 20% because I wanted to go for a medium brown. Of course, if you want to go for blonde or much lighter shades, you have to use a stronger one and probably for a longer time, or you have to repeat the process. But for me, this is all good enough. So I'm going to go for a medium brown hair color, something like number 5. And so to say, do not be afraid of trying the plant-based and natural hair colors, which it can transform your hair so silky, healthy, and promote the growth of your hair, because you cannot go for any other hair color later. Whenever you get tired of a plant-based hair color, you always can do this process and go back to any fancy color that you wish for. If you're interested to give it a try and use the natural hair colors, the one that I'm using, you can just go to the description box of this video and I've linked down the natural hair color that I'm using, so you can just go and get yours as well.